Chrome's new split view feature is honestly amazing. You can finally split your tabs and use two pages side by side without installing any extensions. If you're working on something and need to check another tab at the same time, this feature makes it super easy. Just make sure your Chrome browser is updated so you can access the split view option. Here's how it works. If you're browsing and you want to open a link in split screen, simply right-click the link and choose Open Link in Split View. Chrome will automatically open that page beside your current tab, letting you use both tabs simultaneously. It's a feature Chrome users have been wanting for a long time, and it's finally here. You'll also notice that the two split tabs appear grouped together. You can close either one whenever you want, and if you right-click on the tab itself, you'll see some extra options. For example, if you go to Arrange, Separate Views, Chrome will unsplit the screen and return the tab to normal view. If you want to close the left or right split tab, you can do that easily as well. You can even swap the positions of the two tabs if you prefer them reversed. There is also option of reload. If you select it, it will reload both tabs. And if you go back and right click on split page, there is an option to duplicate split tab, which can be useful if you want the same page open in both sections. Another handy feature is pin. If you pin the split tabs, Chrome will merge them and keep them locked open so they don't close accidentally. Whenever you want to unpin them, just right-click the pinned tab and select Unpin. Another cool thing you can do is mute specific sites. So if a tab is playing audio and you don't want to hear it, you can mute it right from the tab options, just like you normally would. You can also add split view tabs to your reading list exactly the same way you add regular tabs. And the Send to Your Devices feature works too, so you can share split view tabs with your phone or other devices whenever you need. That's pretty much everything the new split tab feature offers, and honestly, it's a really useful addition to Chrome. Try it out and let me know what you think. Did you like it, and how's your experience so far? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.